friends, running kimono, and please watch this before you head out to Walgreens. A couple snags with my little Dove deal, but we're gonna talk about that. And then over here, just a quick little deal that I did that actually worked really well, so go figure that one out. And then some Dollar General, they're having a summer clearance event, and it ends today, which is Sunday. So I'm going to provide you guys with the UPC codes if you wish to either find the drinks or the chips. I bought these yesterday, but the sale is still taking place today over at the Dollar General. Weather report for you guys. It's not 100 today, but it's still a hot one, so probably like 80 degrees. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a great day. Okay, so Walgreens in store right off the bat. So in the ad, it says that these Dove body washes and the deodorants are supposed to be 2 for $13. However, when you scan 2 of them, it rings up for $9.75. So if you were gonna buy this with the 4 toothpaste and just follow my deal blindly, you would be short. So what you can do is grab 2 of the toffee face to get your basket right up to 25 bucks, because all of this together, the 2 body washes, this and this, is $25.75. Alternatively, grab the toothpaste, not these brushes either. I'll talk about this after. If you went and did the deal and you were short and you were not paying attention to the store where you got 2 of these with 4 toothpaste, what you can do is call customer service, because you were like $9 or $3 and some change short. However, it's advertised in their ad that the product should be 2 for $13, so you would miss your Walgreens cash to spend $25 to get back $5. So they will have to honor that once for you guys, just to note that, and just call customer service or do the chat through the website, but they will honor that because it's advertised and it's ringing up a different cost, even though we want the more expensive cost to make the deal easier. But just to let you guys know that it's ringing up for that weird way in store. They might change it later in the week, but pay attention when you're at the register always. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about what I did. And so the 2 Dove body washes for me, it rang up for $9.75. So buy one, get one 50% off, although the ad said differently. Now, I was gonna try and find the Crest Pro Health toothpaste, but my store was cleared out of it. But I did see these for $3. So I thought, you know what? At the very least, I'll grab 4 of these and get back $8 of Walgreens cash. Buy 2, get back 4. And it didn't work for these toothbrushes, so I would only grab the paste. It's not working for the brushes. However, I did buy $12 of it, and this guy printed, so it was kind of bizarre for me. So just be mindful of that. And I also grabbed the 2 toffee phase. So for all of this magic, guys, it's a total, I would grab 4 toothpaste, but do everything else the same. It's $25.75. I had my spend 25, get back 5 loaded, and digitally I had a 6 off of 4 for this, a 2 off of 2 for this, and $1 off for this. So after everything's said and done, I paid $16.75 to my debit card. Because this is a spend offer, I have to pay out of pocket. I can't use Walgreens cash. And what I did get back was a $5 register reward. And I also got back $9.25 in Walgreens cash. 5 for the booster and 4 for the Dove. And the manager credited me $8 back because it was tagged at the store for this. So I don't know, maybe it's some Sunday morning mystery. You know, Walgreens, it's that way sometimes. And then also I made a submission to IBOTTA, 75 cents back for each. Plus I also got back a 50-cent bonus. So I got back $2, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per box of Toffee Fae. So after everything is said and done, this was free plus a $7.50 moneymaker. Because I got this to work for me, it'll be a $2.50 moneymaker for you guys if you just do it the way I described it. Grab the toothpaste and be super mindful that that's ringing up BOGO 50% off. Okay guys, so I couldn't do the Crest deal because there was only 3 of these mouthwashes in my store. There was a 6 off of 4 for this. So grabbing 4 of those washes, it's 12 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying 6 out of pocket, getting back $8 of Walgreens cash, making it free plus a $2 moneymaker. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, if you're just doing this deal on its own, absolutely go for it. Another deal that I also passed on because I thought maybe I could throw this in another deal as the week progresses is the Colgate toothbrushes and the paste. So grabbing one of these, we have this $2 digital coupon. This is a very generous one. And then we're going to grab a paste also for $4. And then we have another $2 digital that showed up this morning. So just a very easy deal. We're grabbing one brush and one paste. That's $8 on the nose. Subtracting the two $2 coupons that I just showed you, you're paying 4 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making this completely free. If you're doing this deal on its own and you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay it down, you can absolutely do that. This little deal that I did was, I used a lot of Walgreens cash for this one. I barely opened up my wallet. Now, why I did that was I was getting a weird message saying that I had some Walgreens cash that was expiring and I had to use it. So I thought if I used a healthy amount for this transaction, it would just really do something with the Walgreens cash. So that's what I did. So I had this guy for $11.99 and this guy for $11.99. Buy 2, get back a $5 register reward. And there's digitals, a 3 for this one and a 3 for this one. So if you're really not into Tide Pods, this is totally the way to go. And then to get the old basket right to $20, I added in a Scott for $5. So for the basket altogether, guys, it was $23.98 for the 2 detergents and then $5 for the Scott for a total of $28.98. I scanned the IBC for the Scott, so that dropped it down by $1.25, and then $3 came off and $3 came off. The new total was $21.73. I used $20 in Walgreens cash, paid the $1.73 out of pocket, and got this little guy. Again, it's just a nice little roll for this one because I had so much, I had some expiring Walgreens cash and I wasn't sure what it was, so I just had to roll it. But very delighted that I have now 2 $5 register rewards. And it was just a really, you know, a reasonable little deal for me. So good luck with this one, and just be very mindful about this and grab the toothpaste, not the brush. Guys, so Dollar General has a 3-day clearance event, which is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And it's only on selected summer stuff. It's not everything in the store. So these little drinks, and I'll provide you with the UPC in a second. They're called Yerbe. It's like a very muted, flavored, fizzy drink with a hint of caffeine. I have no problem with it. A lot of people absolutely hate it. They were 15 cents each, no bottle deposit. I bought them by the case because I didn't mind it. I had one of these drinks before, I think at a different, I was doing a 5 off of 25 and I got thirsty and I wanted to try it. Because if you're on the keto diet, this is like free of carbs, very little, you know, no sugar. It's just a really good drink to try and I wanted to try it. I really don't mind it, but a lot of people hate it. So maybe buy one and drink it for 15 cents. And if you hate it, don't buy any more. I don't know. But a lot of people on Instagram had a lot to say that they were like hating it. My husband too doesn't like this drink, but hey, I got them for me. And then another super duper find is the Wise chips. These are the 22 packs. So a whole lot of chips in here. And these were $1.49 each. So I will include, oh, and this is the one that I'm drinking today. It's really pleasant. It's like black cherry and pineapple. I like this one. So for this, guys, I'll provide you with the UPCs. Open up the Dollar General app, scan it with your phone, and you can figure out if your store has the merchandise or not and if it's worth a trip. and look high and low in the store. You might be surprised what you find. And Sunday is the last day for this little sale. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.